In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix Snapchat Plus not working. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our Snapchat. Once we open up Snapchat right here, you now need to head over to your profile. And then from here, you will now see an option for the settings option. Click on this. You then need to click on Snapchat Plus. And then once we do this, you can then select subscribe. Now, as you can see, this will now show us that Snapchat Plus is not working on our account, even though we have previously already purchased it. Now, to fix this, what we need to do is go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then you can click on Restore Purchases. Now, once we restore purchases, it should restore our Snapchat Plus to our Snapchat account. If that doesn't work, you can then click on Contact Support, and then you can then contact Snapchat support about your Snapchat Plus not working, and then they will then rectify this and sort this out on your account. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix Snapchat Plus not working. If this video did help you out, please give a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.